Welcome to the Mason Library's tutorial on Advanced Search Strategies Part 3, Truncation. After viewing this tutorial, you will be able to use truncation syntax in your search. In the last video, we discussed how phrase searching can be a problem, especially for plural words. Sure, a researcher can use OR to search for either the singular or plural version of a phrase, but there's a quicker way to handle this issue. A truncation symbol is a way to indicate to a database that a researcher wants any variation of a word after a certain string of characters. This is often indicated in a database with an asterisk, though it may be different depending on the platform. If you are unsure what your platform uses for a truncation, simply search the open web for the name of the platform and truncation, and they should have a guide that tells you more. Let's go back to our previous example. We want our database to provide results for either school counselor or school counselors. A quick way to do this is search school counselor with an asterisk at the end. This tells the database that we want results that start with school counselor plus any additional letters such as an S to make it plural. We can even go further with this and do school counsel with an asterisk at the end to get results with school counseling or school counselor or school counselors. Let's think of another example where truncation can be used. What if we want to think of pedagogical approaches to a problem? We could search a ton of variations on the word pedagogy using the OR operator, but we could also search for pedagogue with an asterisk at the end. This is quicker. This will search for any word that begins with a set of letters, including pedagogy, pedagogies, pedagogical, and more. For most databases, this will also search for hyphenated terms such as pedagogically informed. Researchers do need to be careful where to place the truncation. For example, if a researcher searches WOM asterisk because they want to search for woman, women, womanhood, they may be surprised that they are also searching for wombat. Some databases may have additional limits on uses of truncation and may have more options, so look at their help pages if you have more questions. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have other questions, please reach out to your appropriate liaison librarian.